Hello everyone and welcome back to another video on my channel Soul Space. I'm Ankita and on this space, I love to bring you my perspective, some soulful ideas and concepts on divine subjects like spirituality, law of attraction, manifestation, cosmic laws, all from an application point of view. Remember, we are not chasing perfection here. We are not chasing anything really. In our attempt to vibrate high, we are simply learning the language of universe and making a shift to become a deliberate creator. So in this video, I thought I'd impress upon how staying true to yourself matters in this process of practicing a high vibration. High vibration is not a piece of cake for everyone. It requires your willingness and openness to get into the depths of your inner self. Hold yourself accountable and importantly, trust the messages you receive as you participate in the process of deliberate creation. It actually helps you strengthen your self-belief and helps you become more discerning. You know how? Well, through feedback. If you really participate, universe does share a feedback with you in the form of synchronicities or mystical and surprising experiences. And you would know that because you have practiced the vibration of being aware long enough to tell that difference. Also, I am speaking here mostly to an audience who is emphatic, kind, overgiving, and are essentially at a stage which is above basic financial sustenance and can afford a lifestyle. Because when we attain a certain degree of lifestyle, establishing this closer bond with self becomes very crucial for the soul to evolve and realize its purpose. This also goes for the younger generation who has a financially stable background. Secondly, I'd like to impress upon how intimate this process is for oneself, and so sharing your messages or insights that you receive from your higher self with others or even with beloved ones can lead to misalignment. Why? Tell me, do you share every minute detail about yourself with each and every person in your top 5 list? Those you are related to or are close to? No, not everyone has the same version of you, right? So your story simply differs person to person. And so you can't really say if whatever the other person is interpreting is really going to help you, and also because every person is on a different timeline and at a different awareness level. Like them, you also don't really know where they stand in the story they tell you. So oftentimes, the truth gets lost in the act of oversharing, convincing, pleasing, or simply in the fear of being judged. When you adopt the inner work on the path of self-intelligence, it's important to acknowledge that everybody has a higher self, an inner being, their soul, which is always conversing with them, guiding them, and so the messages that you receive from your higher self is not going to make any sense to them. Seeking validations from others or simply sharing with them is only going to lower your energy. Just as you would love to communicate with your higher self, know that it loves to be your unique voice too. So think before you allow others to validate your signs or when you feel like imposing your opinions on them. That's all about this video, guys. I just thought of checking in to let you know your curiosity and participation in your life is all you need to make this journey exciting. There is a lot more I would love to share with you about soul consciousness. But let's be mindful. These spiritual practices have a way around each one of us. And honoring the process is equivalent to developing awareness in a conscious and gradual manner. But I promise to break down the content in the simpler manner so that it becomes easier for you guys to process. Do take in that which connects with you and your soul, and my humble request would be to become a student of your life. as it will definitely teach you more than anything else. The answers to all the questions that you hold comes to you from within. Know that with 200% surety. That was about this video. So let's catch up in the next one. Until then, wishing you all lots of love and light. Stay joyful, stay inspired, and most importantly, allowing what truly matters.